Hi, it's Kerry. We've got lots of farm animals on our farm today. First to come are the goats. We've got mountain goats and domestic goats. They have beards or tassels under the chin. They live in herds and every herd has a pack leader. Goats are smelly due to a musk gland on the back of their head. Goats are strong-bodied mammals with horns and cloven hooves, which means a hoof divided into two. A baby goat is called a kid. Female goats give birth to one or two offspring in the spring. Within minutes of being born, the kids are up and walking around. At 3 or 4 months, the kids are weaned. Can you tell me how many baby lambs in today's video? Is it 3 or 4? The knapstrapper mare and foal. Appaloosa and the knapstrapper share the same colour gene called the leopard complex that causes the beautiful spotted coat patterns. The knapstrapper breed arrived in America in 2002. And here come the cows. I'm going to get them to walk past so you can see them. There was a swan in there as well. The black bull. Frisian cow. Piebald cow. Notice she's got horns. My 3D cow. 2 calves and their twins. And another 2 calves. The Frisian is on the left. And a beautiful white swan in the middle of the pond. It's trying to take off. Hens, chickens and roosters. I'm going to put them straight out. And here come the pigs. I'm going to put them around the watering hole. They're looking at the goose. Pigs don't have sweat glands, so to cool off, they roll around in the mud to cool their skin. The layer of dried mud protects their skin from the hot sun. The pig snout is its most important tool for sensing what is around and finding food. Domestic sheep are quadrupedal ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. They are even-toed ungulates. Some sheep have horns and others don't have horns. They are bred for the climate where they live. In cold climates, they tend to have longer, shaggier fur. You can see the crimped fur there of the merino ewe. Sheep and goats are closely related. The coarse wool from sheep is used in carpets, whereas the softer wools like the merino are used for clothing and blankets. Farmers are also able to produce cheese from the milk from the sheep. There are 4 lambs today. I think my favorites today were the goats. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.